Hi, this is Steve, and in this video I'll be discussing the units of production as a basis for depreciation. Over time, the productive worth of a fixed asset, like a piece of equipment or a vehicle, will deteriorate and ultimately will be reduced to its scrap value. Under the units of production method, the depreciation of an asset is based on its usage. It can be units produced, miles traveled, operating hours, or some other metric. An estimated life usage is established for an asset by its manufacturer, and as that life is consumed, depreciation accumulates for the asset. I'll load the Units of Production lab on cromwell.com and we can get started. The exercise prompt says, the cost of a piece of equipment is $8,400 and its scrap value is $1,380. Its estimated life is the production of 67,000 units, and 1,900 units were produced this year. First, we need to determine the depreciation cost per unit produced. We deduct the scrap value of an asset from its cost to get its depreciable value. Then we divide that amount by the estimated number of units the asset can produce. We're left with a unit cost of 10 cents. Once we've determined the cost per unit produced, we can now determine the yearly depreciation accumulated this year. We take the cost per unit produced for the asset, then multiply it by the number of units produced this year. Then we get a depreciation of $190. Now that we have our yearly depreciation, we need to post this year's depreciation to the General Journal. To do that, we debit the Assets Depreciation Expense account, and we credit the Accumulated Depreciation account, each for the value of the yearly depreciation. And that's an introduction to the Units of Production method of asset depreciation. Thank you.